everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to look at how to make moi moi using banana leaves. So, if you are a food enthusiast or you are just someone that loves trying out new things, this video might just be for you. And if you're also looking for a unique food business idea to start, this video is perfect for you. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step guide to making your own special moi moi, your own signature moi moi. And I bet you, if you start a food business and you can nail the making of moi moi right, you're going to be cashing in. Now, moi moi is made mainly out of beans, so you take the pulp away and you use the remainder to make your beans cake. So, are you familiar with moi moi leaves? What is it called in your culture? If you know what this is, please leave me a comment below. Without much waste of our time, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to wash your beans and get the pulp off. So I bought this already prepared beans from the African store. The pulp is off. So for moi moi recipe, the best kind of beans will be the black-eyed beans. When deconstructed into moi moi, it's a different ball game entirely. So moi moi can be a very versatile accompaniment for bread, for rice, even for people that consume chapati. If you don't know how to use the moi moi leaf, please watch this video till the end. You don't want your moi moi to just be anyhow. You want signature moi moi. Once you have washed and peeled your beans, it is time to prepare your pepper and your onions. So carefully cut your peppers and take the seeds out. Wash those peppers and then you can get one large onions. I don't have a large onion, so I'm going to be using 1.5 small onions. Peel your onions and cut into smaller chunks, ideal for a blender. I'm using Scotch bonnet and I'm using just one because I don't want it too spicy. It's time to blend your beans. So into a clean blender, blend your beans. Please remember to check your blender. In fact, rinse your blender before you use it. Find stones or rocks in your moi moi, and this is the worst thing that can happen to you because moi moi is a very soft diet. The texture, I think it would be a disaster if someone is eating your moi moi and they actually bite or chew on some rock or on some stones. So I'm blending, I'm already boiling some water in my kettle, ready to start cooking immediately. For making moi moi, it's kind of a touch and go. You don't waste time. As you're blending, the water is already boiling. So as I'm putting them in the leaves, I'll be putting them directly into the water. So now to the fun part, to the interesting part. For those of you that don't know how to use the moi moi leaves, now watch me. Here is how to go about it. The first thing you want to do is to wash your leaves. Make sure your leaves are clean. Then you take one leaf like this and you put another one, especially for beginners. If you are scared that it's not going to hold your moi moi. So you can put two leaves together and just look at how I'm going to roll. So you make it like in the shape of a cone. You don't want to make the lower bit too big and you don't want your cone to be too big. So this is what you should have when you have made your cone. Now I'm going to break the stalk to give me this. So I have my space to put in my moi moi. Once I've put my moi moi in here, it is time to cook. So this is how my moi moi goes into the pot, just like a parcel. So I'm going to cover and let it cook on medium heat for 30 minutes. And in 30 minutes, I'm going to check to see if it's ready. Ideally, your moi moi should be ready. If it's on medium heat, should be ready in 45 minutes. So here is what our moi moi looks like. Would you be trying this at home? And on a scale of 1 to 10, how difficult did you think wrapping in moi moi leaves are? As for me, I started wrapping in moi moi leaves since from the age of 13 because my mom taught me and I am so grateful for her. So mom, if you're watching this, thank you so much for teaching me all the things I know today about cooking. So this is what our final product looks like. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and let us win together. And on this note, I will say thank you so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye.